When it comes to replacing your central air conditioner, there are several factors to consider. Homeowners should prioritize their needs and budget to find the best value-focused replacement. Those who value premium comfort, humidity control, and variable speed operation may want to explore the Carrier Infinity 2126 VNA1 or the Train XV20i True Comfort. On the other hand, homeowners on a tight budget may want to opt for the Rheem Endeavour RA14AY, which offers a value-focused replacement option. Before requesting quotes from contractors, homeowners should research and prepare a list of questions to ask, including: what is the exact model and RE match? What are the current specs and warranty registration? Is the model available, and what is the written installed quote? By doing so, homeowners can ensure they find the best central air conditioner for their specific needs and budget.